What if I told you I've made over $50,000 on YouTube from one affiliate network and I barely get any views? I'm talking hundreds of views per videos, not thousands. And today I'm going to prove it to you live on screen with real dashboards, real numbers. I'm going to show you the exact 4-step system I use to turn a small YouTube channel into a full-time income from home. No alarm clock, no boss, no viral videos needed. I'm going to walk you through my JVZoo account, my Warrior Plus earnings, my direct affiliate partnerships, and even my own product launches, all pulling in thousands every single week. Make sure to stick around to the very end because I'm dropping some serious nuggets about how to win affiliate contests and build partnerships that most creators never talk about. And if you're serious about building a real online business, go check out my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. First link in the description. It's a complete system for growing a real business on YouTube, even with a small audience. Let's get into it. All right, so just before we get into the practical tips in this video, just want to show you live some real results that I'm getting in my business with affiliate marketing, selling my own courses and products, and how you can go out there and do this too. Okay, so I'm in here in my JVZoo account. It is February 11th, 2026. I'm showing you real proof that this actually works. I don't even get a lot of traffic on YouTube and I'm able to make money. I've already made $70 today, but if I hover over here, we had $1,083 just about a week ago right there. And you can see it's been steady, $21 that day, and then it ramped up again, $93 that day, $90 that day. Yesterday was really nice at $460 and already $70 today. I'm expecting to have another $500+ today as well because it's the close of a product launch and I'm actively promoting that. I want to go in here and show you some more stats real quick. So I'm going to go to the affiliate dashboard and just show you that I'm going to go into the last 7 days and we can look that we've made $1,723 just in the last 7 days. You can see the different products. Mostly it's from this product right here that I've been promoting, and that's just the last 7 days. If we look at all time, it's probably about 50 or 60,000. Yeah, so we're about $55,000 all time on this account. Then we can go into contests real quick. There are all these different contests that you can join right now. There's a closing contest for the product that I'm promoting right here. And you can see that there's prize pool of $1,950. I'm going to go view this contest and see where we're at. There's $8,000 in sales, 94 sales so far. And you can see we have sales right here. We're on the leaderboard. We've just made sales right there. That's $70. I love the transparency of this tool. There's nothing quite like it with the affiliate contests that can be driven through this platform. The affiliate tracking links, I know exactly where my sales are coming from. It's really awesome. You can see that I'm currently ranked number 2 and up for $500 in prize money. If I can hold this lead throughout the day, I'm going to have a big day. There are some really big name affiliates promoting this already, 20 people making sales today, but I'm at the top right now. Hopefully I can finish in the top 3 today. The Warrior Plus account, I can make $10,000 that in the last 30 days. Haven't been promoting anything lately, but still making $500 in the last 30 days on the platform from just reoccurring revenue and maybe some of the YouTube videos that I have out there that people are still buying products, and I still make sales from that as well. Then we can come over here, a new product, and this is what's so cool. I love sharing this with you guys because this proves that you don't have to be like a Warrior Plus affiliate or a JVZoo affiliate. This is a one-off direct with this software called WordRocket. In the last 90 days, we've been able to make $3,450 in affiliate commissions with 68 sales, only 400 clicks. This is what I teach inside my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. Make sure to click the first link below and you can check out the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program if you want to go and join. It's currently $27 to join. It's going to be bumping up to $47 per month, locked in. I'm not going to change the price anymore. And that's actually happening. I actually need to change this real quick. This is going to happen in about February 20th. I'm going to put right there. So I'm going to save that right there. But this is your chance to learn from a mentor that actually is out there in the trenches and can actually teach you how to build a YouTube channel with simple videos. You don't have to go viral like Mr. Beast or anything like that. And just to be laser targeted, be helpful to people, show them tools that you're using Tell them about your industry. You don't have to be doing software. You can be in real estate. You can be in all kinds of different things. Go and build a small audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, that's passionate. And that's what I teach you how to do in here. So go and check that out. Even just the revenue in the last 90 days that we've been able to bring in for the company, $13,000 that I've helped make this company. And that is the strong partnerships that you will be able to get once you start doing this. And then finally, selling my own products. Right over here, I did my own product launch, and you can see that we had some really nice big days, $2,000 in one day from my small audience. I have a small email list and small YouTube channels, and I was still able to bring $2,000 in one day. And you can see that over the last 90 days, we've made $4,300 right here. So this is selling my own products, my own digital courses. This is selling directly with just partnering with a direct software and putting out a link and then making sales, and then they pay me directly in my PayPal account. This is Warrior Plus right over here, and this is JV Zoo right over here, making money as well. So when we get back into the presentation, how do you turn YouTube into a real business like I have in the last 5 years, and not just think of it as a side hustle? You're going to be thinking of the business versus the hobby mindset, right? You want to treat your channel like a company from day one. You want to take yourself serious, take your YouTube channel serious, and take your future subscribers and customers serious as well. So don't waste their time. Create valuable content. It can be simple, production quality, simple videos. And that's what I've been doing for 5 years now, making 6 figures every single year from the comfort of my home. I don't wake up to an alarm clock. I don't have a boss. I don't answer to anybody. And it has been a complete game changer in my life. Happier. I couldn't feel more empowered. And that was very important to me, to get my life back, to write my own schedule. And you can do that too. That's exactly who I'm talking to. You already have your 9-to-5 job. Maybe you have a college degree. Maybe you're in management, but you kind of just don't really like your job. And I think that there's polls out there that 60 to 80% of Americans don't like their day job. They don't like their current job. Sometimes you don't even like the job that you went to college for, right? That certainly was true for me. I didn't know what to do in college, so I just picked business management, got my degree, then went into business, went into analytics, inventory management, became a corporate director, and I just never felt fulfilled. Managing multiple teams, all the stress, answering to the CEO and the CFO, it wasn't my cup of tea. I never really liked it. I was able to play the part, but I was always fighting against what I really felt, which was to be an entrepreneur and do my own thing. So that's where it starts. You want to get that hobby mindset out the door, come in and get serious. If you're really ready, learn this and give yourself the best chance of creating a real online business. And the traffic that you're going to be getting and the audience you're going to be building is by YouTube. If that resonates with you, if that's what you've been thinking about on the way to work, come and join my school community, and I'd love to help you. The next thing is you want to be thinking about revenue first, right? Know how you'll make money before you hit record. A lot of the things that I do are very intentional. I will map out a game plan of maybe my next 5 videos, and I'm strategizing, and that's why I'm able to top leaderboards like that, right? And make thousands of dollars per month doing this, because I strategize about the videos that I'm creating. They're going to be high quality as far as the information I'm giving. The tutorials that I'm creating are great, but they're also, they're laser targeted, and they are focused at showing a product off in a natural, organic way where people are like, wow, that really is pretty cool. I'm glad that this guy made this tutorial video. I'm going to buy the software, and I already follow David and his channel, so I'm going to go ahead and click his link. People are smart, right? They know that your links are affiliate links, and there's an intention behind the video most of the time. But if you're honest, maybe even point out some of the flaws of the software and come back around and say, you know what, I would give this like a B, or maybe I would give this like a 3.8 out of 5. Here's why it doesn't get a 4-star. Here's why it doesn't get a 5-star, but it's still really solid software. Those are powerful videos where you're actually being honest, unbiased. Some of those videos perform the best for me, but there's intention behind the content plan. And that's what you really need to get at, right? That's why I'm able to drive so many sales and make thousands of dollars with just hundreds of views. I don't get thousands of views anymore. Views are hard to come by. We're competing against AI, slop, all out there. Anybody can create YouTube videos and channels using AI now. I think that at the end of the day, in the next couple of years, there's either going to be a major crackdown by YouTube on just pure AI content, or it's going to get filtered out naturally by humans who just want to hear from humans. So I'm playing that game. I'm continuing. I'm not using HeyGen AI or anything like that. I'm going to continue making real videos with my face on camera. Once you record your first 50 videos, you'll be good at it, right? I don't script my videos. I tend to end up talking too much about one topic. I can get off track a little bit. I'm aware of that, but certainly I'm playing that game, right? That non-AI content is the way to go on YouTube. But my views are down on my main channel with 20,000 subscribers. I used to get 1,000 views per video. I was getting almost 100,000 views per month, and I'm making really good money. That was about a year ago. Then something happened last March, and my views completely tanked. A lot of people are struggling to get their views back on YouTube, but I'm not giving up. I'm making, even with just hundreds of views, still able to make full-time income, full-time living doing this, okay? The next thing is systems. You want to build systems and repeatable workflows that scale without burning out. I teach that in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program, how to use AI, keyword research tools for YouTube, and how to create your content plan, your first 30 to 60 videos, put it on a spreadsheet, so that when you only have an hour to work on your business per day, you know exactly what video you're going to create to your desk or home office and wondering, what do I work on today? You want to have a system, a game plan, know what software stack you need, what software you're going to record your videos with, how you're going to edit your videos, how you're going to create your thumbnails, have your content plan in place, and then just get to work. You got to stop consuming content and buying all these shiny objects. You need to start thinking of yourself as a content creator. Only then will you be able to actually start taking action towards your dreams and goals of building a real online business, okay? The final tip to turn YouTube into a real business is to create skill compounding. What does skill compounding mean? Well, every video makes you better. The gap widens over time. Skill compounding is every single upload. You're going to get more comfortable on camera. You're going to get better at speaking off script like I am right now. You're just going to get more comfortable with this whole process. You need to get your first 20 videos, get your first 50 videos out there, and then eventually get your first 100 videos out there before you start really judging what you've done. Then you'll have information and data to analyze. You can see, oh, these 10 videos did really well. There's a theme or a topic that 8 of these 10 videos had to do with the same thing. This is where you're going to start shifting your content and really talking about those things, because people are really resonating with that, right? So the skills can compound every single micro thing that you do in your business. Every day that you show up in your business and create a video and you're consistent, your skills are going to compound, okay? Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Hopefully you got tips and value from this. If you would like to work with me, you can work with a mentor that's making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this business model. I shoot you straight. I basically tell you everything. I don't leave anything out. I show you everything inside of my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. I'd love for you to be the next member. Link below, be our next member. I'll see you in the next video.